Greetings, library patrons. My name is Jeff. I'm with the York County Library, your community link. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at OverDrive, reading ebooks in OverDrive and with their mobile app, Libby. To get started, open a web browser and point it to our website, yclibrary.org. Once there, hover over the Browse menu, go down to Virtual Library, click on that. Scroll down on that page to OverDrive. Click on the OverDrive link. At OverDrive in the upper right hand corner, you want to click on the Sign In button. That brings us to a page where they ask for a card number. That's your library card number. It's 14 digits long. It's on the back of your library card under your barcode. It starts with 2320500. The last 7 digits are unique to you and your account. If you are a new patron and you applied for an e-card online, then the 14-digit number of your account should have been emailed to you in your confirmation email. If for whatever reason you don't have access to your account number, just contact us via our website, the Contact Us link at the top right, and fill out the form and give us the information for your account, your first and last name, date of birth, and your home address. That just allows us to find you quicker and get you the information you need. I'm going to put in my library account number, so I'm going to hit pause, and I'll be right back. All right, now that we are signed in, up on the upper right-hand side, there is a My Account link. To the right of it is a little arrow. You'll want to click that and check out that menu, all of those settings at some point. Today we're going to focus on finding ebooks for you to read. There's a couple of ways of doing a search. If you have a title in mind or an author in mind, you'll just click on the search button and type in the title or author. Let's say we want to look up Circe. I notice it's on a wait list, so I'm going to place a hold on that. It asks for an email address. I'm going to fill that out with my email address. Confirm it. And place a hold, and now it's going to tell me, look at there, I have a hold. It suggests also some other books that are currently available that are similar, so that's kind of neat. So that one is on hold, and they will notify me via my email address when it's available. I'll just come back here and check it out when they do. If you don't want to wait and you're looking for something available right away, just go to Collections. It's divided into 3 sections. If you focus on the middle section, eBooks, you can see there are different themed sections. Available now is what we want. So if you click on that, it brings up all of the ebooks that are available for immediate checkout. So if we wanted to check out, let's say, Crazy Rich Asians, I'd click that, click on Borrow, and we're going to borrow it for 14 days. You can borrow it for less, but no need in that. I'm going to click on Borrow. That's going to give me 3 options. I can download an EPUB. That's for any e-reader that is not Kindle. Maybe a Nook. If you have a Nook, you'd want to get that one. I can read it now in the browser. I'll click that and just show you what that's like. It opens the reader. The reader is not terribly intuitive, but it's not hard to learn. You'll want to navigate with the arrow keys. Going forward, it turns the pages, as you might imagine. And you can see how that works. Pretty easy. Now, if you don't like the settings, you can click in this middle column and it opens a couple of menus. One down here is a progress menu, so you can skip ahead if you like. Up here, there's several different options. The one we're going to look at right now is this menu right here. It opens up all of these options. We want reader settings. Now we can change just about everything in here. The text scaling, we can make it larger or smaller. We can change the background so that it's dark or sepia, or any of those. We can change the font to something that we might prefer. as you can see. And under Custom, if you click on that little menu under Custom, or click on the Custom, you can go down and change some more settings, some more fonts, and you can change some more settings down here. When you're done, click there. And then to get rid of the menu, you can just click again anywhere in this blank section of the page and continue reading the way you want to read it. We're going to get out of this. The other option is to read now with Kindle. When I click on that, it opens my an option for me to sign into my Amazon account. So I am going to sign in with my account. I'll be right back. Once I fill in my password, I am here at my Amazon account signed in. And if you've not set up, if you have a Kindle and you haven't set up how to get your eBooks, you'll need to do that first. You do that through Amazon. It's not hard, but you just choose which device you want to read on, and then you'll see this Get Library Book once you check out a Kindle book. You just click on that, and then the next time I fire up my Paperwhite, this will sync with the Amazon. It will sync with the Amazon library, and this book will be available on my Kindle. That's the way that works. It's pretty easy once you get used to it. The next thing we want to look at is the Libby app. If we go to back to the home page of OverDrive, and you do that by clicking on our logo at the top and scroll down, you'll see this Libby section here, and we can go ahead and click on any of these and install it on our devices if we want, or we can click on Learn More and read a little bit more about Libby. You can even click on this link here and see what Libby looks like in your browser. If you click on that, boom, Libby pops up. Now, it's not the most attractive thing in a widescreen browser because it was literally created for mobile devices, but it is a very useful and very user-friendly app. If you have never used it, when you click on that, it'll look different. It'll ask you for your library. I've already signed in with it, and I've already used it, so it takes me right to my shelf. You can see that I can click on the library down here, and you can see I'm already signed in at the York County Library, and it basically tells me what's available, all that sort of stuff. It's a great little app. Like any other thing, if it's new to you, it will take some getting used to, but once you use it, you'll be so glad that you got used to it. It's really, really a neat app and really good. So, and you can read Kindle books in either your Libby app or in your Kindle app if you're reading from a phone or a device that's not your Kindle. So that's your Libby app, and basically all you need to do is you can install it from your computer, or you can open your phone or your device, go to one of these stores on your device and do a search for Libby and install it there. And that is basically it for our quick OverDrive introduction to eBooks. Join us for our next video where we're going to take a look at audiobooks and the extensive help section, because they do have a great help section. And until then, keep using the virtual library resources that are available and stay safe. And we'll see you next time.